In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo to ChatGPT and ask it to analyze or edit the image. To get started, open ChatGPT on your device. This can be on your phone, tablet, or computer, and the overall process is very similar across platforms. Once the app or website is open, begin by starting a new chat. This helps keep your request organized and makes it easier to focus on the photo you want to work with. Next, look for the button that lets you attach a file. Depending on your device, this may appear as a plus sign, a paperclip icon, or an upload button. Tap or click that option to open your device's file or photo picker. From there, choose the photo you want to upload. It could be a picture you just took, a screenshot, a document image, or any other supported image file. After selecting the photo, give it a moment to upload. You'll want to wait until the image preview appears inside the chat. This preview is important because it confirms that the correct image has been attached successfully before you send your request. If the preview doesn't appear right away, just wait a few seconds, especially if the image file is large or your internet connection is a bit slow. Once the preview is visible, type exactly what you want ChatGPT to do with the photo. Be as clear as possible here. For example, you might ask it to describe the image, extract text, identify objects, summarize what's shown, suggest improvements, or help edit the image in a specific way. The more precise your instruction is, the more useful the response is likely to be. When your message is ready, send it. ChatGPT will process both your text and the uploaded image together. Depending on your request, it may respond with an explanation, analysis, suggestions, or an edited image result. Finally, review ChatGPT's answer carefully. If you asked for image editing, check whether the result matches what you wanted. If you asked for analysis, read through the response and see if it answers your question clearly. If needed, you can continue the conversation in the same chat and refine your request with a follow-up message to get a better result. That's the full process for uploading a photo to ChatGPT and using it effectively.